If you ignore me one more time, I will never forgive you again. You may think I am exaggerating, but this is the truth. The choice is in your hands, my son and my daughter. You have free will to decide, but know that every decision comes with consequences. I am glad that you have chosen to stay, because I know that many, unfortunately, turn their backs on me and reject me. However, you have shown faith and trust, and remember well what I said. Whoever denies me before men, I will also deny before God the Father. Therefore, never be ashamed of me or your faith. Be strong and courageous, for I am with you. My son and my daughter, today I want to pour blessings upon your life. I want you to feel my love and my presence in every moment of your day. I see your effort and dedication. I know how hard you have been working and striving to achieve your goals. Do not think that your efforts go unnoticed. I see everything, and